is all a lie, all caught up in paradise, running away from everything real, everything that hurts to feel. All you know is all that you've put out to keep you from the truth.
So one of the things that we frequently do in New Zealand is hiking. There are a lot of very nice hiking trails here. And look at the scenery.
How long you thought that you were better off if all you knew was gold. All along you've been a fool, and it's getting old.
And after about 1 hour of high knee climbing, guess what? We only reached halfway to the summit.
All you do is all routine, a careful schedule meant to clean your heart of anything that might disturb the peace and cause a fight. All you do is bury your head, you know you might as well